Hello, today in this video I'm going to give you some introduction on accounting, a very basic concepts relation to accounting. It will help the beginners to understand the concepts of accounting. Okay, let's begin. So what is an accounting? Accounting is a process or it includes several steps. So, for the beginners, there will be confusion about what is accountant's job or what are the processes involved in accounting or what is accounting. So, let's check out what is an accounting, how we can describe the entire process of accounting. So, accounting is a system measuring business activities and processing of information into reports and making the findings available to the decision makers. So there is something measuring called actually accounting is measuring the activities that is undergone in the business, and we call them a transaction. It can be called as a transaction. Accounting means measuring of the business activities, and these measured activities that are expressed in the monetary terms are being processed into reports, and these reports are called the financial statements, and these financial statements are made available to the decision makers. The decision makers are the users of information, like it might be shareholders, bankers, governments, creditors, debtors, who are beginners of the accountancy may not be aware about the terms of debtors or creditors. But by the way, by accounting, we mean that we measure the business activities and we will process that activities into information, and these information will be converted to reports, and these reports will be made available to the decision makers. So the end result of accounting are called the financial statements. We do these all processes to get done these financial statements. So what is an accounting? Accounting, when you may check out different definitions of accounting, you will see that accounting is an art. Yeah, accounting is an art because you need a specialized skill to do accounting. So when you become an accountant, you are becoming an artist too. Okay, now let's check out the different processes involved in accounting. First, an initial step is recording. We have seen that we are measuring activities and we call it as a transaction, and these transactions are recorded. It is the first and the initial step that we do in accounting. We will record the transactions. We record the transactions in a set of books are called journals, and we record it in journals in the form of journal entries. The second step involved in accounting is classifying. These recorded transactions are being classified by its nature or kind. Means all kinds of sales are put in the basket, or all kinds of purchases are put in a basket. So it is classifying on the kind of the nature of the item. They are classifying in an account form called ledgers, and the process of this classifying is called the posting. Means the journal entries are classified to ledgers, and this process is called posting. And we will get some balances that are called the ledger balances, and these ledger balances are summarized to a statement called the trial balance. And we get a summarized statement called trial balance, and these trial balance are analyzed, and we will interpret, and we get the end result, that is financial statement. There comes a question. It's not a statement, it is statements. That means it's not a one statement, it is more than one statement. So financial statements include trading P&L accounts. It's actually two accounts, and we prepare it in an integrated way, so we call it in a single name trading P&L accounts. Balance sheet showing assets and liabilities, so it is a statement of the financial position. And cash flow statements are dealing with the different cash inflows and outflows. And equity statement is dealing with the capital and drawings or whatever that dealing with the investment of the owners. And after preparing this financial statement, we will communicate the result to the end users or the users of the information. And there is one term called disclosures. Disclosures are some note that relates to the accounts, relates to these accounts. To make clear the reader more about these accounts, it includes like assumptions or policies or the steps, how that figure we found in the accounts, or the way how we got that figure. These all being explained a theoretical way, that is called the disclosure. So this is also a part of the financial statements. And users of accounting information will get the reports, that are the financial statements. And the users of the information include shareholders, who are the owners, debtors, creditors, bankers, whoever who take decisions based on the financial statements. So that is what the processes involved in accounting, and what are the financial statements that we are preparing in accounting.